What is a chakra? Chakras provide a language for the unseen, simultaneously tangible and symbolic. These swirling energies within us correspond to glands in the endocrine system, organs in the body, and nerve ganglia of the spinal column, as well as mental, emotional, and spiritual health. The colors also line up with the rainbow, and you can think of yourself as a prism. This divine white light shines and runs through you. Prana, chi, force, charge, shakti, spirit, God, goddess. The chakras serve as a map of life force, conducting energy between the earth and heavens. Subtle energies flowing and rotating like gears are becoming blocked and stagnant. They can be envisioned as wheels, gears, gates, cones, non-physical entities not bound by matter, time, and space. While there are many points of energy, we focus on 7. Spinning wheels or spheres of light laddering from the base of the spine to the top of the head. The chakra system was shared orally for generations and documented in Vedic texts around 5,000 years ago. Ayurveda, the science of life, utilizes chakras, foods, routines, rituals, meditations, elements, and environments to balance unevenness in the body, mind, and soul. Butterflies in the belly, heartache, a lump in the throat. These are euphemisms for real feelings in the human experience. And our energy can constantly be changing. You could find yourself in an excessive space, frustrating, where energy needs to be discharged, or in a depressed, deficient space where you want to up-level your energy. But hopefully, we're dwelling in that space of ease and flow, centered and in charge. Charge. We can think of the charge of our body like money. We don't want to hold on too tightly, but we don't want to just be spending haphazardly. We want to save, invest, grow, and then share our abundance of wealth, health, wealth. So these concentrated energy centers, we can feel the sensations and the biomagnetic feedback of a pumping heart or a brain deep in thought. These can be measured. Energy orbs may be out there for some, but most agree that there are forces and factors beyond the visible reality. And it doesn't even matter, because you can still work with the system as it's a pragmatic checklist for organizing and understanding life. Archetypal as well as physical, 7 days of the week, 7 colors of the rainbow, 7 notes on the musical scale, 7 sacraments, universal principles that are progressively transcendent. Humans are comprised of densely vibrating energy, and cleansing, movement, prayer, chanting, singing, food and color therapy help to raise our resonance so that we can balance our energy centers, which in turn balances bodies, relationships, families, communities, and creations.